Hello everyone, I'm Meera and I'm from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, today in the morning, I came to my field to make video. And you will think that why do you always come to your field and to make video? Why? Because this is the place where I find peace, where I just listen to my words, not anyone else. So I find peace and I am comfortable here. I feel comfort. This is my comfort zone where I can speak anything easily or without any hesitation. There is no one who will judge me that what type of English or what type of words she is speaking. So today it's 8 a.m. but I am not feeling good to go to my home, but I will have to go. Why? Because there are many works that I have to do. So not only making video is my work, as well I have told you that I belong from a village, so I'm from a farmer family too. You can see there behind me there are many plants that we have grown, and these are looking so beautiful, and we have planted cucumber. I have told you in previous video, and now the result is very good, and I am happy with the plants because it has been grown along, and after some days or approx 15 to 20 days we will do harvesting, and I will show you that what type of cucumber and what type of harvesting we will do. And I hope the harvesting of cucumber will be so fine and so good, because we have worked a lot and we have just done so hard working. And you know guys, who belongs to a farmer family, they can relate that how much we have to work, and we have to work physically as well as have to spend so much money. We don't fear about money or hard work, but when the result outcomes, that means when we do harvesting, we feel so happy and so glad, and I hope the harvesting will be so beneficial, and I will show you that day. So this is the day 5th of learning English, and I think guys, from my videos you are learning something new, and if you want to learn anything else, like any special topic or about anything special, then you can just comment on my videos, so that I will make videos on that topics, and I will solve your problems. So I think you are feeling good also, because you are seeing only greenery everywhere, because I feel very happy whenever I come to my field. So you can see that behind me my father is also working, and guys, whenever I speak about myself or my family, I just get emotional. But I think I will be the reason of my family who will just I think I will be the person who will change the situation of my family. So I will meet you in next video. So till then, thanks for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends, or who wants to learn English.